I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining exactly what news you need and why: local, global, topic, or time frame. Once done, go to Google and choose the News tab. This focuses results. Make sure to sign in so Google can remember filters and saved searches. Next, type a focused query using quotes for exact phrases and cite to limit domains. You're not browsing randomly, you are shaping the feed. Set a date range immediately to avoid stale results and keep relevance high. Now refine and narrow. Use quotes for exact matches, minus to exclude terms, and/or for alternatives. Add cite to search a publication directly. Once done, try in title or inURL to prioritize headline relevance. Make sure to apply the date filter, past hour or past week depending on urgency, so you see breaking or developing coverage. You can also create a Google alert for persistent monitoring and follow reputable sources or authors to populate your feed with higher quality alerts. Finish by validating what you find. Compare at least 2 independent outlets and check for official statements. If a story includes images, use reverse image search to spot reuse. For claims, consult fact-checkers. Once done, save stories or export links for reporting or later review. If you get noisy or irrelevant results, make sure to tweak query keywords, broaden or narrow the date range, or clear browser cache and cookies. This usually fixes personalization issues and returns fresher, accurate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.